Welcome back once again. Let's now move to a first of its kind landmark exhibition by the National Museum. Titled India and the World, A History in 9 Stories. The exhibition showcased some of the most important works of art from the collections of Indian and British museums. The exhibition, India and the World, A History in 9 Stories, explores India's relations with the rest of the world through iconic pieces and earliest tools made by human beings. The 7-week-long exhibition was organized in collaboration with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya in Mumbai, the British Museum in London and the National Museum New Delhi with the support of the Ministry of Culture.
The India and the World curatorial team have done a brilliant selection of objects, and they have woven a historically enriched story through 9 landmark moments of world history. Our National Museum audience would get the rare opportunity to compare the Harappan dancing girl with the Sumerian statue of a woman. The exhibition also have block printed textile fragments originally made in India but discovered in the medieval grave in Egypt, therefore revealing trade routes and exchange of cultural material across land masses and via oceans.
On display were over 200 artifacts including stone, sculpture, pottery and textiles from the collections of the London-based British Museum and 20 museums and private collections from across India.
समय समय पर क्या क्या तब्दीलियां आर्ट में आई हैं हमारे जीवन में, हमारे समाज में, वो सब यहाँ डिस्प्ले किया गया है। और विश्व का कला के लिए क्या योगदान है, भारत का विश्व में क्या योगदान है, वो भी हम यहाँ देख सकते हैं।
Through a raft of exquisite pieces, the exhibition beautifully captured the evolution of Indian civilization since antiquity and also its contribution to the world.
यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट्स है इंडिया से भी, ब्रिटिश म्यूजियम से भी, तो अलग अलग जगहों से आए हुए, और ये दर्शाते कि जब भी वो 2 ऑब्जेक्ट्स अगर हम साथ में रखते हैं, सपोज एक चाइना का पेंटिंग है और एक इंडियन मिनिएचर पेंटिंग है, वो दोनों सेम टाइम में लोग क्या पेंट कर रहे थे, वहाँ पे क्या दर्शाया जा रहा था, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था, तो इससे बहुत जानकारी मिलती है हमें एक ही साथ में 2 ये चीज़ों को देखे कि विदेश में, बाकी जगहों में, विश्व में क्या हो रहा था और देश में, अपने देश में क्या हो रहा था। तो ऐसे कई अलग अलग ऑब्जेक्ट्स आए जो लोग नहीं जा सकते वहाँ पे देखने के लिए, तो ये उनके लिए बहुत एक अच्छा माध्यम बन जाता है यहाँ पे आके देखने के लिए।
Organized as part of the commemoration of 70 years of India's independence, the Mammoth exhibition also highlighted the cultural exchange between India and the United Kingdom.
It was a really great experience to see things which we have never seen before at a visual cost. It was, in all, it was a very homogeneous experience with a kind of pinch of the modernity that we show in the world.
यहाँ इस इंटरनेशनल लेवल का जो एटमॉस्फेयर यहाँ क्रिएट किया गया आर्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए, वो मार्वलस है, ब्यूटीफुल।
Iconic artifacts, beads, stone pieces and innovative sculptures gripped visitors through its relevance in the evolution of human civilization from the stage of hunter-gatherers to that of becoming sedentary agriculturalists. The exhibition offered a visual treat to everyone interested in the country's rich and proud history.